Hello everybody, it is the evening. I don't normally get to work late, but I am working late today and I'm going to be pulling my shipping for tomorrow. The last time I shipped was Monday, actually yesterday. Today is Tuesday. I'm pulling my stuff to ship tomorrow morning and I was on Amanda Pruitt's channel. I can't remember if it's a recent, yes, it was a recent video. It was a recent video of hers and she said that she had turned off her offers on Poshmark. Her automatic offers. Like, I used to send out an offer like 5 minutes after somebody had liked something and it was 20% off with discounted shipping. And I felt like I was getting good results with that, but she told like everybody in the video that she turned them off and she has been getting higher offers because she's not sending out those offers and she is able to avoid giving that shipping discount and she's getting more sales overnight especially. So I turned it off today and I have 6 sales to ship out, all sold today as I shipped yesterday. So super happy with that and happy to show you what sold. So I'm going to start with my first eBay sale. So these are these Kuru. That's what the logo looks like. They're like house slippers. These are brand new. I did actually receive these for free. So they sold for $45 plus $10 shipping. So the buyer is around $55 all in, and that is 100% profit. So very thankful for that. The next thing to sell is this hot pink North Face sweatshirt. I actually paid $8 for this. And funny story is because my child was cold and put this on, and of course she did not want to take it off, so I ended up just buying it. It was one of my family members' garage sales, so it was going to somebody that I knew, and I knew I could just go ahead and sell it. So this sold for $12 plus shipping. I just went ahead and took the first offer, so I am just making my money back, and that is fine with me. I sold this Jasmine Rose, I'm not sure if I can get the tag, Moo Moo. It is velvet. It's just getting to the season where these are going to sell. Anyway, I've held on to this for a long time. I got a $10 offer plus $10 shipping and I went ahead and took it. So Ground Advantage is really going to save me money for shipping this bad boy because it is pretty heavy. Now onto my Poshmark sales. Like I said, I have 6 in one day, which for me is like crazy, and they're all pretty good sales. So this John Deere Sherpa half zip pullover, I got this at a church garage sale, so it's basically paid for now. It was new with tags. This sold for $30, so I make $24, and I'm gonna say this is already paid for. I sold this Polo Ralph Lauren coat in a size 4T. It is getting to be coat season. Get those coats listed. It was new with tags. The tag says $175. That is just crazy to me. So I knew this probably could have sold for more. I listed for $80 and took a $40 offer today. So pretty happy with that. I only paid $5. So I'm really trying to look at, what are you actually making for profit on this item? Not what would I like to sell it for. So there's that. The next thing to sell was this Harley Davidson size large, like button-up shirt. It's like I would say it's like a thicker cotton shirt, not really a jacket, not really a shirt. Anyway, it is new with tags, size large. It sold for $35. Again, I was hoping for it to sell more, but I haven't gotten really any interest on this piece, and it's been listed a while, so I just went ahead and took that $35 offer. These Merrells I just recently got at a church garage sale for $4, and they sold for $38 on Poshmark, so pretty good profit, and it was a pretty fast sale. Happy to get these boots moving. This is a Rags to Ratches jumpsuit. It's in a size 12 to 18 months, I believe, or 6 to 12 months. I can't remember. I think I paid $9 or $10 for this. I can't remember. I did take a $25 offer. It hasn't been listed very long, and that's fine. The last thing to sell were these pair of Rock Revivals. They're in a size 30 long, and they do have some wear on the corners, like they're gonna need patched very soon, if not like now. So I did put that in the description. They sold for $15. That was a full price sale, and I got them for free, so that was a 100% profit. Alrighty, it is the next morning and I had a couple other things sell. So I had these Earthies shoes sell on Poshmark for $23 on an offer. The turning off the automatic offers thing is really working. Very excited about that. I did get these for free, so this is 100% profit and very happy to ship them out this morning. And another Nike Pro Combat sold for $15 and very happy with that. I paid $2. Good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday morning. I need to get my last minute shipments out. I meant to ship yesterday, didn't get back in time, so I was not able to ship, but I am getting most of the week's sales out today. Sales obviously are slow. They are so slow, but we still need to be listing consistently in order to get sales when it picks back up. So that's what we're doing. So anyway, the first thing to sell is this Lululemon Scuba half zip. This was actually mine. I paid $45 for this because I was going to wear it myself. It ended up being like a little bit tighter than I wanted it to be. So I went ahead and sold it. It is a size medium large and it sold for $80 plus shipping. So the buyer was 90 something dollars all in, and I did end up making a profit. This happy baby carrier that I honestly don't know if I've hauled yet on this channel. I have a 3-part haul that has been posting. I'm pretty sure this video is going to post Monday though, and the other haul is going to post Tuesday. But I bought this for $15. The brand is Happy Baby, and the logo looks like that on the baby carriers. This baby carrier will sell for over retail. These retail for like $168 to like $189. And it's like a 100% linen, like organic, like all the things. And I went ahead and took the first offer. I listed high at $225. Someone came in at $130 plus shipping. So the buyer was $140 all in. And at a $15 buy cost, that was amazing. And I just went ahead and took it. Here's your sign to stop dragging your butt on your problem items. So I had this item had like a price tag on the bottom, and I goo-goned it. You can still kind of see some residue on the bottom. But these have sat in my death pile for 2 years probably, because at least a year, I'm not sure. A year and a half, I don't know. Anyway, these have been sitting in my death pile forever, and because I couldn't remove that sticker on the bottom. And anyway, they sold for full price at $25 for like a day after I listed them. So list your death piles, folks. You have money sitting there. I need to listen to that advice too. But anyway, they sold. This top was part of my personal collection from when I owned a boutique. And I paid wholesale for it, so I paid around $15 for this for myself. It sold for $8 plus shipping, so I'm glad I could wear it to get some enjoyment out of it and get some of my money back. Is like really hit or miss. Sometimes it sells for full price, and then the other times it sells for like really low. But anyway, happy to not be wasteful and get some money back out from my purchases. These new with tags, Maurice's distressed straight jeans in a size 22 long. I believe these came from Style Encore. I'm not sure. They are new with tags. They sold for $17 plus shipping, and they took a long time to sell as well. So the stuff from Style Encore, the 90% off sale has been selling so slow. Anyway, you all know that. That is fine with me. They sold. Hopefully the new buyer loves them. By the way, I just went to Style Encore, and I shop Style Encore full price all the time for stuff to resell, because they have such good stuff like just waiting for you in their racks. Like you think like people value their stuff. They don't value their stuff. I just found some amazing items, and these people would have gotten paid like $3 for them. They obviously don't care. Anyway, haul to come soon on that. I didn't mean to shop for resale. I was trying to look for dresses for me, but you know how that goes. When you find something and you're a reseller, you must buy it. So anyway, haul to come soon. I received this Ed Hardy tank top, amazing Ed Hardy tank top. I did tag Y2K in this, but I received this for free. And it sold on Poshmark for $38. I do send 30% off offers on bundles every single Friday, just to kind of ramp up sales for the weekend. So this is one of those things that sold, and probably could have sold for more, but it's fine. I take a long time to list things to Poshmark anyway, so this did have a chance to sell on eBay before I did that. So anyway, happy with that, 100% profit. The next thing to sell was this logo, Lori Goldstein logo layers top. I think it's an XL or a 2XL. It's like a mesh shirt. It's really cute. Mesh is really in right now. Anyway, it sold on Poshmark for $24, so I make like, what, $19.80 or something like that. Happy with that. My vintage Hawaiian muumuu sold. It sold for $66, I believe. I had it listed for $85. Again, this is part of me sending out 30% off offers, but I'm glad it sold. That was a great price, and I think I paid $3 for it maybe at a thrift store. It took a little bit to sell, but vintage always takes a lot to sell. prayers to those in Maui. I'm not sure if that is what made this sell. Hopefully not, but prayers to them. It looks like a horrible, tragic area right now. This vintage Iowa State sweatshirt sold on Poshmark, again on a, I don't know if this sold on a 30% off offer or not, but it sold for $31. So that was a great price for an Iowa State hoodie, especially on Poshmark. Anyway, I paid around $3 for it, so beautiful sale. I found this The Mountain Sasquatch shirt at a bag sale. I think I paid $5 for the whole bag of stuff, so I ended up getting a bunch of stuff for my kids, and then this, and this sold for $12, so that pays for all of my kids' stuff, and that is how I dress my kids for free. So, need any more parenting tips? Just come to me. I'm just kidding. Anyway, I made like $9 and something. That paid for everything. Very happy with that. And that is it for this video today. Thank you guys for watching. I love watching what solds on other people's channels. So I hope you guys love watching my what solds. Anyway, sales are slow. That is fine. They will get better. Right now is the time where we probably should be just listing our death piles and not spending the money on new inventory. And I also need to follow that as well. We don't need to be going out shopping when things are slow and we have stuff to list. But anyway, have a great day. If you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you in the next one.